So I've been following the news, and Boston Dynamics finally made their robot Spot available for purchase. This thing only cost $75,000 plus, but the thing is full of options and features that blew me away. I didn't even expect this to be available until another maybe like 10 years or so. And if you haven't watched Unbox Therapy's latest video, go ahead and watch it. His reaction was priceless when he first unboxed this thing.
Come here.
Oh my God.
His heart rate.
Oh my God. Yes, that's it.
And for those of you thinking, yes, I know, this reminds me of that horrible episode in Black Mirror called Metalhead, where that robot dog tried to kill that lady all the time, and man, it was scary. I mean, after seeing that episode, I couldn't help but compare Spot to a crazy thing that might kill us in the future, but that is something to be discussed in the future. If the future is dark and gloomy, please come back to this video and see the part where I said, I told you so. Spot is an incredible nimble robot. That's what Boston Dynamics called him. Nimble robot that is able to climb stairs and traverse rough terrain with unprecedented ease. The robot can carry payloads of 14 kilograms. It's got a railing at the top. Yes, I know what some of you might think, but this is not the time to talk about crazy applications. So far, you can add a gigantic arm. Honestly, that thing looks creepy. You can attach payloads to the top, like this video suggests. If you ask it of me, I don't think this robot is for the average consumer like you and me, not just because of the $75,000 plus price tag, but because this robot was designed for specific applications in mind. For now. But I think in the future, things are going to change. We might be seeing these things everywhere, maybe as pets even. But the applications that you can see right now are, let's have a look at Boston Dynamics website. And they're talking about things like construction, oil and gas, electric utility, mining, public safety, healthcare, entertainment, and research. So let's go through each one of those quickly. Construction, what can this robot do? It can inspect progress on construction sites, create digital twins, and compare as-built conditions to building information modeling, BIM, autonomously with Spot. Okay, oil and gas, create autonomous routes or drive the robot to remotely inspect facilities and improve awareness of plant operations. Cool. For electric utility purposes, create autonomous routes or drive the robot to remotely perform inspections in electrified or radiation-dense areas. So that's one of the good things about this robot. If the area is dangerous and has maybe radiation levels that are not possible for a human to enter, you can use this robot for such dangerous places. I think this is one of the most important uses. Then mining. Create routine tunnel inspection routes and attach additional payloads to make measurements and ensure safe working conditions. Again, you can send this robot as a form of recon and find out if it's safe for people to operate in that environment. So I'd first send off this robot, find out if there are any radiation levels, or if there are any hazards in the area. You know, the robot has a camera and you can control it. You can find out if there's anything dangerous in that place. Public safety. Drive Spot remotely to get eyes on dangerous situations or inspect hazardous packages from afar. Now, honestly, that thing looks creepy in public. Imagine having one of those things watching you all the time. Healthcare. Use Spot to triage patients, deliver food and medicine, or disinfect rooms from afar. That's cool. You can see here the robot has got, and I think that looks like an iPad with telepresence. So if you need somebody to go there to deliver food or medicine or to disinfect from afar, that's good. Entertainment. I suppose you're going to be seeing this robot on America's Got Talent sometime soon. Program dynamic movements and expressive poses through the API or drive the robot in real time as part of a performance. Research. Integrate Spot with sensors and software to develop applications with industry partners. Academic pricing available. I wish I was a professor.
Yeah.
I'd be getting a discount by now. Too bad I didn't get my PhD so far. When I saw Unbox Therapy's video and I saw the remote controller, you can remotely control the robot, or I think it has an autonomous mode, maybe. But that controller looks like as if the Nintendo Switch had a baby with an Xbox controller.
What?
Anyway, it looks cool. The gigantic controller is big enough for you to be able to navigate this robot anywhere you want. And the cool thing about this robot is that if it falls down, it just dusts itself off and picks itself up and moves on as if nothing happened. No matter what kind of precarious state it was in, if it falls down, it might push itself, it might turn its legs in a crazy way. It just picks itself up and gets up. This robot is crazy balanced. I mean, this is the result of years of research into the making. At the end of the day, as much as I'm terrified seeing these things because of Black Mirror's episode, I mean, I couldn't get that out of my head when I saw this. I couldn't help but compare. But if you put that on the side, I think this thing is very exciting. And it has a lot of useful applications for humans. And I think in the future, our pets might become something like this. I'll see you in the future. And right now, I think I'm going to order myself a $75,000 robot and break my bank. Have a nice day.